Hello, my friends. I hope you are doing great. Today, we're going to see how to rig a human arm. You know that with 2D Rigging Toolbox 4.0, it is very easy to create an arm? In fact, what take the time is only drawing. Oh yeah, I know that most people spend a lot of time rigging a character, but why not try this tool? I myself used almost the whole day for rigging and animating, but currently, things have changed. For the simplicity of this video, I will not put much effort in the design of arms parts. For a simple arm, we start by drawing an upper arm. Then we continue with the forearm. In case you want a complex design, go ahead. Do not limit yourself. And we end by drawing the simple hand shape. But, hey, don't laugh at me for the shape of the hand. Haha, it's just for teaching purpose. So let us attach our famous hand to the forearm. Hey, did you know that the rotation of the hand, forearm, at the elbow, known as pronation, palm down, and supination, palm up, is generally performed in slow, controlled motions for mobility exercises, typically taking 4 to 5 seconds per repetition? That's science and science is bruh. Then we give our arm the color. Hey, do you know a little French? Derrière ça c'est des goûts et des couleurs. On ne discute pas. The most important part in creating a character is to make sure that body parts are well connected. So here comes the famous script, move selected to coordinate. This is an awesome script indeed. And big thanks to Stan. Then we add joints to the body parts. First, activate the 2D rigging tool. Then, selected 2 points from the layer where a circle constituting the joint will be created, and finally click on Add Circle Joint. Voila! A joint has been created. Here, you have to change the color of the created joint to match with the layer's color. Since we are rigging only the hand, it is advisable to tell the tool that we will be working on the arm only. Then, using the tool, proceed to the renaming of layers. Since you have already created the joints on layers, it is important also to create them on the tool. Just select the joint circle for each layer that constitute the joint and then click on the joint button on the tool. Now, the remaining part is very simple. Tick Create Skeleton button and tick Auto Binding button and lastly click on Apply. And voila! Our arm is bones. For now on, you can animate the arm as you wish. See? The process takes around 6 minutes, and it should take less than that. When you habituate to this tool, rigging an arm is just a click. Then you can proceed to the animation and adjustment of the design as you wish. So, my friends, what do you think about this process? Is it easy? Difficult? Just share your thinking with others in the comment section. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and share the video with others. And if you have a proposal for which item or character you want us to teach you how to rig it, please tell us in the comment. Thanks for your time, and continue to have a wonderful day.